Okay, bro, please watch closely. I'm gonna help you install the car mode. Please make sure that you have Cleo Mode Master, Zachiever. You only need these two apps. Okay, firstly, you open your Zachiever. Open your Zachiever. Android. OBB. Rockstar. And then the first source, we press view. After this, press view. We want to copy this file TEXTP. I hold. Then copy. Please do not cut or delete this file. It's so important. Otherwise your game will crash. Then I come here and top. Then I come here. Device memory. Android. Data. Then I look for the game data here. .com Rockstar Games. Then I say files. It's taking so long. Why is it lagging? Okay, you can see already. I already have it, so I won't be pasting it. You press here at the bottom. You can see the paste sign. I won't be pasting it because I have it already. Then we come back again. OBB. Rockstar. Then we come onto the second fold. Press view. We enter text db. What you are looking for here, we are looking for TXD and GTA 3 image. So we're gonna select these two. I'm gonna start one by one. Copy at the top. Device and memory. Android. Data. Rockstar Games. Files. Then we come to the folder that we have pasted. TextDB, and then we paste it. As you can see, it is here. You do the same step for GTA 3 image. Then you are done. Now you have your Cleo Mode Master. Open it. It's loading. It's loading. Oh, network. Okay. What's up? Something like that. Okay, let me open it again. Come on. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Come on. Okay, we choose DF cars. I select it. Okay, it's gonna display a lot of beautiful cars. You choose the one that you want. Okay, I don't want it here. Okay, here, your mode, you choose the cars. You choose any cars that you want. Let's make for an example this one, Premier. In fact, like it will support this one, this car, Premier DF Photos. Then you press install. If you have successfully done the step, after pressing this step, it will be installed in your GTA 3 image. You will say it has been installed. If it's not, it will say GTA image has not been found. So if these steps didn't help you, hit me up. I'm gonna help you personal. You press install, but I already have it, so I won't be pressing it. Let's end it.